Ma'am, what's your name?
Suzanne. Suzanne.
Okay. मेरा सेंटेंस है Me and my family always help everyone.
Always help others.
First, tell my sentence is wrong.
हाँ.
What is the right sentence?
वो help others.
Help नहीं आएगा, help आएगा.
Help. हाँ. क्या बोला आपने क्वेश्चन?
Me and my family help everyone.
Help से आएगा. Help.
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 मैं आपको एक चांस दे रहा हूँ, एक और गलती है.
वो ये तो बोला ना help others.
Help others ठीक है, बट एक और गलती है स्टार्टिंग में.
फिर से बोलो sentence.
Me
and my family.
Our answer is right, sorry. Congratulations. But you were not supposed to play. Okay.